As always, we're going to start with a motto of the day, a phrase that can guide us throughout our lesson, and the motto for today is a proverb from the 1700s. It is attributed to one of the founding fathers of the United States, Benjamin Franklin, a place for everything and everything in its place. I picked this motto because today, that's what we'll be doing. We're taking our handwritten notes and we're giving every answer a place, a specific cell, inside a specific row and column. Organizing the data is half of the work, and once it's organized, the analysis is often easy. One way I thought we can illustrate and visualize this idea and the phrase is with Minecraft chests. When you start a Minecraft world, in the first few days you go around picking up random stuff, trying to survive, and your inventory easily becomes a mess. So at some point you make yourself a hut and build some chests, but within a few days those chests also become very messy, like an everything drawer. And if you want your future self or your friends to find what they're looking for, you will have to organize your chests. So this world I was playing a few days ago, and I split my loot into two, as ore and block based loot on one side and natural and monster loot on the other side, with item frames above them showing the categories. And inside the chests I try to group similar items on the same side with empty cells in between them, and I'm sure in a few Minecraft days I will have to upgrade my chests and organize the items in more detail. But it does the job for now. And let's look at what other people shared online. So this person put diamonds on the same row, on the same first line, and then iron ingots and gold ingots, redstones, and so on. This person did it more vertically instead of horizontal, like I did. So they put meat on the left side and then some plants in the middle, and then some fish on the right side. And we can see people do a mix of these things a lot. You can look at here, again, vertical lines, and then some horizontal grouping as well. And you can look at here, they did the same thing I did. They put an item frame and then an item, a sample item on it to show what kind of items there are. And as you keep playing, of course, a lot of you would know, you're going to have to expand and categorize your items in more detail. If you take this exact picture in your head, rows of items, columns of items, and an item frame to show what's inside a chest, that's basically a spreadsheet. That's a data set. And that's what we're gonna do today. But instead of putting Minecraft loot into rows and columns, we're gonna put our interview answers. Okay.